How to enable microphone on Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your microphone in Microsoft Teams so you can participate in meetings without any issues. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your Microsoft Teams on your PC. And once you have opened that, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner beside your profile icon. And from the pop-up menu, you can simply click on settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply click on the device shown in the left side of the screen. And here under the audio device section, you'll see the microphone option. So if your microphone is not selected, click on the drop down menu and choose the correct one. And if you are unsure, you can try switching between different options and test your audio. And that's it. Your microphone should now be working in Microsoft Teams. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.